how to monetize your X account. For starters, you must be at least 18 years old, and your account should have been active for at least 3 months.
Complete your profile with a profile picture, header image, bio, account name, and verified email address.
Enable two-factor authentication for security.
Live in a country where X's monetization is available.
You need to have at least 500 verified followers, as well as 5 million impressions on your posts over the last 3 months. To access monetization features like ads, revenue sharing, and subscriptions, you need to subscribe to X Premium. This not only enhances your account's visibility, but also makes you eligible for monetization. Navigate to the Monetization tab in the sidebar menu on mobile or the Overflow menu on the web version.
Click on Join and Set Up Payouts. This will redirect you to set up a Stripe account if you don't have one. Stripe is used for processing payments. Complete your Stripe account setup with your banking details for receiving payments. In the monetization settings, enable the Ads Revenue Sharing option. You earn a percentage of the ad revenue from impressions on ads in replies to your posts, but only from verified users.
If you meet the qualifications, set up subscriptions.
Create exclusive content for subscribers. This could include bonus content, badges, or subscriber-only replies. Choose your subscription price from available tiers. For example, $2.99, $4.99, or $9.99 monthly. Go to your profile settings under Edit Profile, find the Tips section. Toggle it on to accept tips via third-party payment services like GoFundMe, Bandcamp, etc. You need to connect your preferred payment methods here.
You can host paid events.
If you have valuable content for live audio sessions, you can charge for access to your spaces. Set up through the monetization settings.
Ensure your content complies with the X User Agreement, Content Monetization Standards, and any specific guidelines for the monetization features you're using to avoid disqualification. Avoid prohibited content. Don't post content that violates monetization policies, like explicit material, copyright infringement, or content that promotes harmful activities. Use X Analytics to monitor engagement and impressions. Understand which content types perform best for ad revenue or subscriptions. Based on analytics, refine your content strategy or tweak your approach to monetization methods. Promote products with affiliate links in your tweets. Engage with brands for paid promotions or use X's Brand Collabs Manager if available. If you have a strong personal brand, consider selling merchandise. Thanks for watching.